Hey there, welcome. Let's talk about an amazing piece of equipment that's going to take your home workout to the next level. I'm talking about the YOSUDA magnetic/water rowing machine. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just getting started on your fitness journey, this rowing machine is perfect for anyone looking to build strength, increase endurance, and burn calories right from the comfort of their own home. So, what sets this rowing machine apart from the rest? Well, let's start with the features. The YOSUDA magnetic/water rowing machine combines the best of both worlds with a magnetic and water resistance system. This means you get a smooth and realistic rowing experience that can be adjusted to fit your desired intensity level. Plus, with Bluetooth connectivity and app support, you can track your progress and set goals right from your smartphone or tablet. Now, let's talk about who this rowing machine is. 4. If you're a taller power athlete looking to strengthen your upper body, core, and legs, this machine is perfect for you. The comfortable seat cushion ensures that you can row for longer periods without any discomfort, making it ideal for those intense workout sessions. But wait, there's more. One of the best things about the YOSUDA magnetic/water rowing machine is its versatility. Whether you're looking to increase your cardio, endurance, build muscle, or just switch up your workout routine, this machine has got you covered. Plus, it's easy to assemble and can be conveniently stored when not in use. When it comes to comparisons, the YOSUDA magnetic/water rowing machine stands out for its combination of magnetic and water resistance, as well as its app support and comfortable seat cushion. These features make it a top choice for anyone looking to take their home workout to the next level. Now, let's talk about how to use this rowing machine. Simply adjust the resistance level to your desired intensity, strap your feet into the secure foot pedals, grab hold of the comfortable handlebars, and start rowing. You can track your progress in real time on the app and even compete with friends and family for that extra motivation. But here's a tip from me to you: make sure to maintain proper form while rowing to prevent any injuries and get the most out of your workout. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and focus on using your legs to power through each stroke. In conclusion, the YOSUDA magnetic/water rowing machine is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their home workout routine. With its dual resistance system, app support, comfortable seat cushion, and versatility, this machine has everything you need to achieve your fitness goals. So what are you waiting for? Take your home workout to the next level with the YOSUDA magnetic/water rowing machine. Trust me, you won't regret it. Let's row our way to a healthier, stronger you.